I'm Eric Peterson, broker at Kopa Real Estate, and welcome to our newest luxury listing at 1928 Marano Lane in Leander, Texas. This home has never been lived in, originally constructed by Toll Brothers as part of their Florence 80-foot series, and it's the Vanguard floor plan, which is the same popular floor plan as the model home. This home features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, almost 5,000 square feet, and a 5-car garage. You're going to love this exterior courtyard and this outdoor covered patio. Perfect for entertaining. This is a well-lit great room with a fireplace that actually does put out heat, and check out these doors opening up to the outdoor patio. You can host the best parties in this kitchen. Just take a look at this huge level 7 silestone island, shaker cabinets, and that gorgeous backsplash. I love this owner suite on the primary level. It's such a bright, happy room. You've got high tray ceilings and upgraded carpet. Take a look at this elegant primary bathroom. You got a huge walk-in closet, gorgeous Cedar stone countertops, and a double shower heads in the shower. One of the reasons I love this floor plan is it has this oversized secondary bedroom on the primary level, and it's really the size of the room where you would have somebody that you love staying here. You've got the ensuite bathroom with the walk-in shower and the walk-in closet. Let's go up to the second level and take a look at the other bedrooms, game room, and media room. This virtual flex room provides additional space to fit any lifestyle. Up on the second level, there's 2 additional bedrooms, and you'll have less arguments because each bedroom has its own full bath. For all you movie buffs, you've got your own theater room, or the space could easily be converted into a 5th bedroom.